Sometimes you are attracted towards negative stuff, negative habits. And everyone knows, and your parents also, they must have said that habit becomes need, and that need becomes loss of control. Right? So you have to do work. For instance, I directly come to the point. So vape, sweet smelling device, yes or no? Yes. Boy of your age, maybe in your street or anywhere, say that have just once, take or try just once. And as I told you, because it is sweet smelling, poison sometime coated with sweet. And that is only why that sweetness, that is to capture your brain. That is a tactics to capture young minds, to control young minds. Imagine if young minds of the nation are addicted, will nation will grow? Will nation be developed? Of course not. That is not going to happen. So you have to see to that you must have the power and capacity to say no. If someone says outside try once, so you must have that power to say, courage to say no. Because once you try that once become habit, and that habit becomes need, and that need becomes loss of control on your brain. And imagine what will happen. Memory will be damaged. Your concentration will be reduced. And of course, you will develop anxiety in you. And you know that it is going to happen. Yes or no?
Yes.
And you have seen that whatever I am saying to you, that is happening all around. If you must have going to the market or going anywhere else, you must have seen that what student of your age or children of your age are indulged into. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this session is to protect you from that kind of scenario, from that kind of, the wrong habit, the negative habit. Because ultimately you have to, and I think beta, your life is more valuable than any other thing in the world. Yes or no?
Yes.
Your protection is important.